Hey guys, I am about to change the oil on this tractor. Okay, I'm just gonna take y'all down here with me because I forgot my tripod at home. This is what it's gonna look like. Okay, we're about to pull this plug. So I'm just kind of curious. I always want to know, what's everybody up to? I'm up to about 5'2", and I know you never knew that anybody could stack. Never mind. And my electric ratchet does not have a battery on it, but this does, so that's what we're going to use. So we've got it loosened, and here we go. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Dadgum.